Besides the well-known Aviapages flight calculator and charter request tools, the business aviation community values Aviapages Directories, which are dedicated to companies and business jets. Let's explore the key features available to operators. Aviapages receives over 150,000 visits from aviation professionals every month. Operators can be searched by company name, headquarters city, or country of origin. Additionally, brokers can filter companies to refine their search. They can specify company type, aircraft type, and the operator's country of origin. Now, let's discuss what brokers see in the operator's profile preview. The more details an operator provides, the greater the chances of appearing in accurate search results and gaining brokers' trust. Brand visibility, including the company logo, name, and origin, helps brokers recognize operators easy. Icons displayed on the right indicate which aviation authorities have certified the operator and confirm that the company information has been verified by the Aviapages team. The fleet preview provides concise information about each aircraft, including its type and tail number. Users can also view detailed information about a chosen operator. Adding associations certificates and AOCs, Air Operator Certificates, to the profile enhances the operator's credibility as a partner. This information can be a decisive factor when users choose an operator to request services from. Each operator also has its own ratings, such as response rate, RR, and response time, RT, which are crucial for users deciding whether to contact the operator. Operators with high RR and RT ratings are more likely to receive daily requests. If a broker decides to work with an operator, they can send a charter request directly from the operator's profile. Providing valid contact information is essential to enable direct communication between operators and charter buyers. Scrolling down the profile, users can see fleet details, including the number of aircraft and a short summary of each airplane, tail number, aircraft type, year of production, passenger capacity, and photos. Updating fleet information, such as home base, refurbishments, and onboard services, allows operators to sell charter flights efficiently and attract more customers. If users need additional information, they can open the detailed aircraft profile. Brokers can also request quotes for specific aircraft. It is essential to indicate principal operating regions, as this information helps potential partners understand the areas covered by charter flights, especially considering today's political landscape. An operator's achievements showcase its connection with the Aviapages system and its longevity in the business aviation industry. Integrating the operator's schedule with Aviapages is vital. Providing real-time information about aircraft availability and empty legs increases the chances of successful deals. Current integration is available with Flex, Skylegs, Leon, and Nuvelops, or via API with the operator's internal software. The Standards and Accreditation section highlights certifications received from aviation authorities and organizations. Aviapages directories are accessible via the desktop website, mobile app, or as an API solution for greater flexibility in internal software or CRM systems. In the second part of this video, let's explore other Aviapages directories and services that operators can use daily. When receiving a charter request, operators can check broker details in the directories. Operators can view the broker's company name and trust score when opening a request. By clicking on the company name, they can access detailed information, including the broker's Aviation Authority accreditations and market activity. FBO directory. This serves as a pocket guide to FBO stations worldwide, offering comprehensive contact and service details along with Google Maps meeting points. Users can access the directory, apply filters, or search by FBO name or airport to request station services in just a few clicks. Airport Directory. This directory is dedicated to business and general aviation airports, providing details about the airport, runways, sunset, sunrise times, and time zones. Users can also find information on FBOs, handlers, fuel suppliers, and MROs within the airport profile, as well as check current weather and available NOTAMs. Aviapages API for operators. Aviapages API was designed to simplify daily operations and maximize time efficiency. These solutions can be integrated into internal software or flight scheduling systems. For operators, the most useful APIs include Flight Time and Route Calculator, Schedule Integration, Charter Quote Tools. Aviapages empowers the business aviation community with comprehensive tools and directories, simplifying operations for operators and brokers alike. Whether you're managing fleet, requesting charters, or refining your search for trusted partners, Aviapages is your go-to platform. Explore its features today and elevate your business aviation experience.